With the arrival of the iPhone 15 series also comes the arrival of USB-C and the gradual phasing out of the Lightning port. Currently, if you peruse Apple's offerings, Lightning can still be found on the Magic Keyboard, trackpad, and mouse, the AirPods Max. I think that's it. Now, if you walk into an Apple store today, you still might be able to pick up a MagSafe battery pack or a MagSafe dual charger. Both also have the Lightning port, but those items have also been quietly removed from the online Apple store. You might be wondering, what about the AirPods Pro 2? Well, today, Apple just released the AirPods Pro 2 with a USB-C charging case. Hi, I'm MICHAELJOSH, your gadget matchmaker, and over the last decade, I've made it my job to show people around the world that tech can be easy, fun, and exciting. On this channel, I give you special access to the products I review, the events I attend, and all the interesting people I get to meet along the way. So, if you want new USB-C AirPods Pros, give the channel a like and subscribe, and I'll help you find the right gadget to match your needs. This is our AirPods Pro 2 with USB-C charging case unboxing. The new iPhones finally get USB-C. You know what else? AirPods Pro Gen 2. Okay, let's unbox it. Flip a bit around, look for the green arrows. Lift. Designed by Apple in California packet. Comes with a user guide. Product information, no stickers. Next up, the AirPods Pro 2. So nice and shiny, and of course, it now has a USB-C port. As a refresher, there's actually speakers built in, so these are speaker grills so that you can ring your AirPods in case you misplace them. And over here on the side is a place to attach a lanyard. If we lift this up, there are more goodies inside. First up is another braided USB-C to C cable. I love that new Apple cables are all braided. And last but not least, extra ear tips in extra small, small, and large. Mediums are the one installed by default. For reference, these are my old AirPods Pro 2. These are the new ones. They look exactly the same. This one looks cleaner and shinier, but the biggest difference is right here. This is Lightning, this is USB-C. But first, let's set it up. All you have to do, open up the case, bring it close to an iPhone. You'll get this prompt. All you have to do is press connect. You'll hear that sound. And just like that, they're paired. When you have them on, there are 3 modes. Adaptive audio responds to your environment and cancels out external noise. Personalized volume adjusts the volume depending on your environment. And the feature that I like the most, conversation awareness. If you're listening to music and someone walks up, as soon as you start speaking, AirPods will lower the volume so that you can hear the person in front of you. The signature feature of AirPods Pro versus the regular AirPods is noise cancellation. It's perfect when you're on a plane, for example, and there are babies crying. A press and hold turns on noise cancellation mode, and then you can kind of drown out the sounds of the world. But sometimes you do want to be able to hear some of those sounds, especially if you're out for a run or walking. That's where adaptive mode comes in. It dynamically responds to your environment. It cancels out external noises, but still keeps you aware of what's going on in your environment. To switch between adaptive mode and full noise cancellation, all you have to do is press and hold on the stem. Personalized volume automatically adjusts the volume of the music you're listening to. So maybe you're at home and it's quiet, so you have the volume levels down, and then you walk out into a noisy street, it will automatically turn up the volume for you. My favorite of the 3 modes is conversation awareness. If someone walks up to you, you don't have to be like, what did you say? As soon as you start speaking, it will lower the volume of the music you're listening to so that you can actually have a conversation with whoever's in front of you. By the way, if you're looking for trendy new ways to store and protect your AirPods or AirPods Pro 2, then you should definitely subscribe to this YouTube channel because we're working on a new episode in our luxury tech series where we'll feature our favorite designer AirPods 2 cases or carrying pouches. The question I'm sure everybody has is, if you're like me and already own the Lightning port version of the AirPods Pro 2, how different is the USB-C model? From what I've seen, there are three main differences. Of course, you have Lightning versus USB-C. Secondly, these new AirPods Pro 2 support lossless audio when used in conjunction with the upcoming Vision Pro headset. And third, the Lightning models had an IPX4 rating, while the USB-C model has an IP54 rating, which means the same amount of water protection. 4 corresponds to splashes, but now with that 5-digit, it also means some protection against dust. If you already own a pair of Lightning AirPods Pro 2, then you do not need to go out and buy a new pair, but if you do go out and buy one, then with one cable, the cable that comes in the box, you'll also be able to use your new iPhone to charge your AirPods. By the way, this is also a wireless charging case, so you can plop it down onto a MagSafe puck to charge them. Can you buy the case separately, or can you go up to an Apple store and say, you've lost your Lightning case, can you get a replacement with a USB-C port? And the answer is no. The only way to get a USB-C charging case is to buy a new pair. For iPhone 15 users, Apple also released new EarPods with a USB-C port. Let's do a quick unboxing. Look how small and cute its packaging. Pull up the tab, and there you go, the familiar EarPods. Pull down, and there you go, a USB-C cable. By the way, Apple still sells EarPods with a Lightning port as well as a headphone jack. USB-C EarPods are already available and retail for $19, while the AirPods Pro 2 with the USB-C charging case will be available starting September 22 and will retail for $249. And that was our unboxing of the new AirPods Pro 2 with USB-C. If you'd like to see more videos like this one, we have a lot of Apple content coming your way, so make sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel and hit that bell icon so that you get notified as soon as we upload. Follow me on social media for all the behind-the-scenes fun stuff, and for news and updates, make GadgetMatch.com your daily habit. Until the next video, I'm MICHAELJOSH. Thanks for dropping by.